What's going on YouTube? It's your boy 3 back on day 14, back testing this strategy, man. I didn't even trade today. Yeah, it's Friday. It was Friday. I didn't trade today. I actually slept in. Gotta get my sleep schedule back on track. But as far as today, again, we're doing this brick wall. I mean, the bricks for short. This is the A plus setup we got going on here. I mean, our edge is supply and demand, support and resistance. As far as our criteria to enter, we're looking for identifiable trend. If I see price going sideways or look like it's consolidating, I'm not really going to try to get into a trade. I'm not going to be pressed. I have to see a clear trend. I gotta know where price is coming from and where it's going. I gotta recognize like the price on the 5-minute chart, that it's like respecting the levels of the higher time frames. And there must be no news present or upcoming. Like I'll go over to like Forex Factory and I'll look up the upcoming news as far as like the red folders and the orange folders. These are the times that I'm not trading. So if it's an orange folder, I'll mark a vertical line on a chart as far as the time it's released. So if it's released at 9 a.m., I'll have like an orange line at 9 a.m. And let's just say at 10 a.m., a red folder is announced or news is coming in at 10 a.m. Like it's the orange folders and red folders basically will be either less volume or a lot more volume, and the price will fluctuate. So you can get stopped out. I had times before where it traded through my stop loss and I lost a funded account. So I'm not trading during the news, whether it be within the rules of evaluations or not. No trading during the news. So that's part of the criteria. As far as confluences or bricks, they consist of support and resistance levels being the exact same on a 60 and a 60 minute and a 4-hour charts. I'm gonna mark these with a solid green if we're in an uptrend. I'm gonna mark them with a solid red if we're in a downtrend. Clear supply and demand zones. This is how I help determine the direction or destination, like where price is coming from, where it's going. Trends and clear support on my volume chart and my 5-minute chart. I enter on my 5 minutes, so I want my levels on my 5-minute chart and my 250 to basically mirror each other as far as like the support, resistance, gaps, etc. They want them to line up, and that would be a high confluence for me if I get those two charts lining up. And I want to see at least two confluences, two or more confluences to get into a trade, but two is the bare minimum. And when it comes down to the trade plan, you got to find a clear trend. That's number one. Never go against the trend. It's one of the golden rules. Wait for price on a 5-minute chart to get close enough to the bricks. And then they got to react to like show consolidation or signs of like reversal or that it's a retest, something of that nature. It has to react to our bricks. Once I see it's reacting, I will find an entry close, preferably at the brick wall, but close to the brick wall on a pullback or a retest. And when we trade during the AM session, I'm going to enter closer to the opening of the 8 a.m., 9 a.m., or the 10 a.m. The 8 a.m. is the 60-minute close, as so as the 9 a.m. and the 10 a.m. But the 10 a.m. is also a 4-hour close, so our bricks on that level would be stronger than the prior two. But I'm looking for closes around those time frames or those times. Minimum risk to reward would be a 2-to-1, and I'm gonna exit early if price closes above or below my original bias as far as for the brick wall. So if this price appears to be trending upward and I'm getting into a trade for my brick wall as support, and it comes back and trades under it and closes under, then I'm gonna get out of the trade because I wanted to long trade, and once it closes under the brick wall, then most likely it's gonna continue trading lower. I'm never gonna risk more than 6 ticks, and I'm not gonna move my stop loss to break even. Like if I risk 6 ticks, then I'm cool with losing 6. If I risk 4, I'm cool with losing 4. It'll be between 4 to 6 tick stop loss, preferably a 5. But when I have like 4 or less, it's usually too tight of a stop loss, and I end up getting my stop ends up getting hit and then trading back in the other direction. So those are just one of the things I noticed over these few years of trading. And yeah, that's basically it, man. We're gonna find a session to trade as far as this data. Yesterday we did 1127. Today we're gonna do 1128. And we got a treat. I'm gonna do a few more of these sessions, and Monday I'm gonna actually trade live an evaluation. 1128, 24. Yeah, I'm gonna trade live an evaluation on Monday, so we can have a whole series with that. Before I get started, but we're gonna go to Forex Factory and see the news. Pull this up. 1128. I gotta change these charts to the 1224 contract. These were some of our levels from yesterday. What's this? These are showing two different things. See, that's the stuff I'm talking about. 118.12 and 117.30. Alright, what's going on here, buddy? Let's let this data load up a little bit. Maybe I don't have that downloaded. Let's disconnect. Playback 1224. We got 28 and 29, so I don't see the big deal. Still different, still throwing out the same. Alright, now this caught up. Caught up at what, like 1? Yeah, we're gonna fast forward to 7. Oh. Alright, news. Then we're gonna find our trends. Then we're gonna find our desk start and our destination. Alright, let's slow this down. Our start, our destination. Our road closures and detours. So 4 hours, 60 minutes, 5 minutes. Then our key levels. Our session open. Asia high, low. Overnight high, low. New York open. All right. Then we're gonna write our bricks. And our other confluences. Let's say first things first, we're gonna go to the news. Still what, the 29th? I mean the 28th, it was the 28th. So, that was Thanksgiving, it was a bank holiday. So there ain't gonna be that much volume here. So between Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Let's see what this session is hitting for. Oh my gosh. We wouldn't even normally trade this, but alright, Thanksgiving. Look at this. These dots is crazy. Alright, from 10 to 07, W to 5. I don't see us getting that high in this session. Looks like some consolidation on the 60, as well as the 4. We might be coming back under 118.10. Let's go back to the 5. Looks like we got a lower low here, lower high. This is the session open. $118.17. Looks like price is coming from 118.30. Draw 117.23. Let's see if we got any between yesterday and today. 118.17. This session open and a 118 at 118.17 is confluence with the 60-minute resistance. I might call this a downtrend for real, for real. Let's go to the 4. Got 118.17 strong. So we guess we got us a break there. Made it that color because it's the strongest one we got. Like even today, looking at this dome, it's way different on this day. With it being a bank holiday or being a holiday, there's not as much volume in here. I've never seen a gap like this. My overall bias is down right now. I haven't seen this move. We had a trade, we had a move at 03. They fill in orders 04, then 07, then 05. This is usually how the Asia session look. And this is usually how the 1 minute chart look, or the Asia session. But I need to close under 09. About 8 o'clock to get into a short. I'm not worried about anything really fluctuating here. It's just more so moving slow. So I'm not going to try to get like a large trade. Yeah, 2-to-1 maybe, a 1-to-1. Cause I might do like a 4 tick. Go for 4, risk 4. So we'll see what presents itself though. Like look like we got. We're going off of this, and this looks like a lower high. If we're going off this low and this low, looks like a lower low. So downtrend. Like I said, we don't have any news, any impactful news. There's always news every day, but nothing that'll impact us in the market. So I'm gonna pretty much just speed this up. Pull this chart up to just be solo until we get to maybe around 745, 750. But don't even look like price is moving. It literally looks like nothing's happening though. It's happening. Just real slow. So it closed below this.
Order filled.
We risking for I don't believe price getting back above this break as far as for open. We risking 5 to get 5. Well, our next brick being our target. Our stop loss is above this one. Yeah, I'll move my risk to 4. Higher high above 18. Will be above 18. 17's our break. So we got another hour about to close under here. Just trading around it because this is our overnight. This is our session open, and it's a support and resistance level on our 4 and our 60-minute. Okay, we just made a lower high, but then like with all these little dots, bro, we would have never traded on Thanksgiving. For research purposes only. It's probably going range.
Stop filled.
It's 11:30. It took 3 hours for it to get up there. And the market closed because it's the holiday. Pardon me, this is on max speed. I don't want to end it for y'all here, but we might have to end it. Alright, so let's see. We're gonna see what Black Friday look like too. If it's more than the same, like this is as fast as it goes. It wasn't much people trading in the US, but this is the Asia session. Then we went to another break. This is the uptrend now, so this is our support. Lower high, lower low. Closed down here. Opened up here.
Order filled.
Could we get back in? Oh, it filled us already. We're under here. But why did it close? Hold on. Opened up right here. It's 2 to 1, risking 5. Get 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or hourly with the 8 o'clock. It closed under, but it opened above. I got in on a retest on the break. I mean, the highs could have been my target. That would have been 6 ticks. I'd only been able to risk 3, but I would have got stopped out. Next hour about to close above, but this look like some more resistance. Closed above.
Target filled.
Target filled. That's what we like to see. Shoot, maybe even a retest at 04. It's about 40 minutes though. That was a good 10 ticker. Off the break, it closed below, but it opened above. Got in on the retest and took it up 10 above the previous high. It's coming back down. $10.30. It's about to come test it again. I don't think so. I don't think it'll close under 04. Let's see. If it closes under 04, it might be in for a nice little ride down here. 118.23. Minutes. above and came back down. I want to see what happens with this candle right here. The next candle after. No more trades. We seen what we needed to see. Now I finally closed under. Oh. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, we seen what we wanted to see, man. This one ain't too long, ain't too short. I mean, we got a trade. We did 2 trades. The first one didn't really pan out how we wanted. We shorted. Price stopped us out, and then the next trade we ended up finding the trend and getting in on the retest, and taking it to where we wanted it to go, up 10. Like our first trade, we shorted because the price closed under here, under this break for the hourly. And then the very next candle, it ended up stopping us out. Then we waited a while till price got to this brick wall. On the hourly, it actually closed over, so we got in on a buy. So we got in here, and we took it up 8 to 10 ticks. So I mean, it wasn't bad, man. We lost 4. Wait, what we get in here? At 14, we got stopped out at 19, so we lost 5, got 8. So we got a total of. Wait, did we lose 5? Lost 19. We got in at 14, got out at 19. Minus 5 plus 10. Oh yeah, so we got a total of 5. So I mean, it wasn't bad on the day. I mean, 2 trades, and we came up profit. So it's a good back testing session. I think so. Like, we're seeing our brick wall get disrespected, and we seen our brick wall get respected. And I don't necessarily think it was disrespected in this one. I just think I had the trend wrong because it wasn't clear. It was a lot of consolidation on every time frame, and that was the Thanksgiving Day trade that I took, which really this was this day right here. Wasn't really too much to look at. Like, this is the type of days you stay away from. Like, it was nothing clear in this day. This whole day is Thanksgiving. This whole day right here. It was terrible to even try to trade. 2017 and 12, the session closed at 12. And I got the trend wrong. Like I said, it wasn't even a clear trend. It was basically a range. But yeah, man, like I said, that's it, man. Be back tomorrow for day 15. If you're watching now, man, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And